We have a question here. 20 people apply for a job, 12 have school certificates, and 10 have diplomas. If 2 have no qualification, how many have both a school certificate and a diploma? Now, this question is under set. 20 people apply for a job. Let's get out the information from the question. Solution. We have 20 people apply for a job. That means the total number of people who apply for the job is 20. That means the universal set is 20. We have N is 20. We have that. We have 12 have school certificates and 10 have diplomas. That means we have school certificates and diploma. So we can say let school certificate equals C, and diploma, we could say let diploma equals D. Equals D, capital letter D. Then we have number of school certificates, which is C. That means 12 have school certificates. That means that's equals to 12. 10 have diploma. That means number that have diploma D equals 10. We have 12 have school certificates, 12, 10 have diploma, and that's that. We have to capital. Then I said if 2 have no qualification. If 2 have no qualification here means that they don't have school certificate, they don't have diploma. That instead the number of not school certificate intersection not diploma, that is 2. That is, they don't have school certificate, they don't have diploma. That is equals to 2. How many have both a school certificate and a diploma? The questions want us to calculate number of school certificate intersection diploma. We don't know that. We can call that X. How many have both a school certificate? Both the school certificate intersection diploma. That's what the question asks us to solve for. Here, we don't know that, so we can call that X. The next thing is for us to now draw a Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram, we call this first part the school certificate C is equals to 12. This other part here, that is for the diploma D, which is equals to 10. Then we have 2 have no qualification, that is number of school certificate, not school certificate transaction, not diploma, is 2. That is going to be outside here. We could put it anywhere around this region. Outside it could be here or here. So let's put it here. That is 2. Now we now have school certificate intersection diploma. That's what the question asks us to calculate with. Have both. It's not given. We try to say let's represent that with X. So here is going to be X. Now, going back to the how do we now solve for our heads? You agree that if the universal set, that is number of universal set, is equals to this region here, which can be this region here, which is the school certificate only, that is number certificate intersection diploma prime plus number school certificate intersection diploma plus number not school certificate intersection D, that is the diploma alone, plus number C prime intersection D prime is equals to the universal set. That is this region alone. Now, NC intersection D prime is equals to 12 minus x. That is here, this region is 12 minus x. This region is 10 minus x. That means number C prime intersection D is equals to 10 minus x. That is, this is the region for the only. So by the time we sum this plus this plus this plus this should give us the universal set, which is what? 20. That means n universal set, which is 20, is equals to 12 minus x plus x plus 10 minus x plus 2. This 12 minus x plus this equals s. So if we solve this, we are going to have 20 is equals to 12 plus 10 plus 2 minus x plus x minus x. 12 plus 10 plus 2 minus x plus x minus x. So here we have 20 is equals to 12 plus 10 plus 2 will give us 24. Minus x plus x is gone. We have minus x. By the time we solve for this, we are going to have x. Bring this to the other side, we have x, and we have 24. This becomes minus 20. X is equals to 24 minus 20. That is 4. That means x is equals to 4, and we say NC intersection D equals x equals 4. That means how many have both school certificate and diploma? That is 4 have school certificates and diploma. The answer to that is 4. Surely, Kole.